Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in Main Street Park in downtown Hamlet, across from Hamlet Depot and Museums and a visitor center with the Assistant Director, Mary Davis, who is going to give us some details about all the fun they have planned for right where we are that's coming up tonight.
So from 11 to 7 p.m. we have food trucks in the Visitor Center parking lot, and then from 6 to 8 p.m. the Jonathan Robertson Band will be performing here under the shelter. So bring your appetite and bring your chairs.
Yes, and this is the second Boxcar concert of the series for this year, right? So you can see the rest of the dates and find out more information about these events and which food trucks are going to be here all day at the Hamlet Depot and Museums Facebook page, and visit Hamlet, and that's also on Instagram, correct?
Yes.
Right. So we hope to see you tonight here in downtown Hamlet for some food and live music. Also tonight there is more live music that will be in Rockingham at Hudson Brothers with the Beach Fever Band. Double Vision will have karaoke. And at the Lounge and Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have their Friday specials. Today also kicks off the 25th annual Memorial Race for Big John. It is a bracket championship that will be at Rockingham Dragway throughout the weekend. They are watching the weather to see if they need to make any adjustments or changes to that schedule, so make sure to follow Rockingham Dragway on Facebook and Instagram to keep up with the details for that event. On Saturday, May the 27th, there will be a Memorial Day event at VFW in Rockingham. There is a Facebook event page that has more details. That will start at 11 a.m. That night, DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision, and they will have their specials at the Lounge here, in Rockingham, and here at Hail Mary's Tavern, which is just down the road from where we are. On June 1st, which will be this coming Thursday, the second concert in the 2023 Rockingham Plaza Jam Series will be on the lawn of Colt Plaza beside Rockingham City Hall. This one will be Chocolate Chip and Company. The concert starts at 6:30, and just like here tonight, we encourage you to come enjoy free music, bring a chair, bring friends, and your appetite, as the AMVETs will be on site with your supper. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and our website blog. There's lots of places to find all the fun that's going on here in Richmond County. And also, if you have an upcoming event that you want featured, you can email us at visitrichmondcountync@gmail.com. I hope to see you around town this weekend, but if not, I will definitely see you next week.